Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Thomas. I'm the owner of Epitome of Excellence Designs and Decor. And in this video, I just wanted to show y'all how to do a quick balloon ring tutorial. The balloons are already blown up, and if you want, I guess, a step-by-step on how I got to this point, you can refer to my last balloon garland tutorial where I showed you guys how to make quads and how to make the small 5-inch quads and how I use the rubber bands to add them into my garland. It's the same kind of technique here, except the base of this is going to be what you see in my hands, which is the balloon ring. I purchased this off of eFavorMart, I believe, maybe 2 years ago. But it's just a 7-foot balloon ring, and I think I paid $75 for it. And I use it every now and again, and I wanted to pull it out for this event. So just giving y'all a 2-for-1 special on this. So the only thing you have to do is connect it. And then, like I said, my balloons are already blown up. I have them separated into quads already. No, I guess, rhyme or reason on how I have them separated or sized up. You can do them just as random as you would do a garland. And the only thing I'm doing is wrapping each quad around the pole to get it secure. I used to compact them tighter right here, but I've learned kind of, just to put them on and just to allow a little bit of space. And at the end, I will go back in and fill in the gaps if I need to with the 5-inch quads. So I'm just going to let y'all see me kind of do a few of them here. That's one of the ones with, I think there's a 24-inch balloon or maybe a 36-inch. Don't overthink this one either, y'all. These are the cheap balloons from Amazon. I like to do tutorials like this for my people who are not balloon artists and you just want to get something pretty or something nice. And I think I used maybe 2 of those kits to get the desired look for this. This is like a hot pink fuchsia color, and I'm just filling it in. And I like to do it from side to side like this because it just keeps the balloon ring even. That way I don't risk it toppling over or being unbalanced while I set everything up. So I'm just going to fill it in. And the reason I didn't do the bottom on this is because this is behind 2 throne chairs and you wouldn't see the bottom. But if you were going to do the bottom, you would just use some balloons to fill in that small gap at the bottom. But there's really not a need here. And I'm going to fix that side that you see on the right where it's got it's a little bit off. I could have left it alone because you couldn't see it, but I'm going to go back and put a dupe right there, which is 2 balloons, and fill that in. Now I'm going to get my 5-inch quads, which already have the rubber bands on them. Y'all know that technique from, like I said in my last video. I'm going to put that on here just to fill in the gaps. It looks pretty good from what I see. Like, you don't see any gaps. Again, this is the cheapest of the cheap. This is not Qualitex, Sempertex, Toughtex, any of those. This is a cheap $15 or $16 balloon garland. Look at my brother. Get out the way. So I'm just taking those quads that I'm going to use, thinking I'm fancy, and going to put them on my arm, and then they got in my way. So I just threw them all on the ground and picked them up as I needed it. And I'm filling in those 5-inch balloons. You don't have to color block this because this is one color. But if you were color blocking, you would do the same exact technique as you did with the garland, or do with the garland. You would fill it in with that specific color just to kind of color block it. And when I say color block, it means to put the light colors with the same color. Going around, stepping back, looking at my work. And this is honestly all, y'all. This is probably the simplest tutorial I can give you. Get you a $75 balloon ring, or if you find one cheaper, get you some cheap balloons or balloon garland, and you can do exactly what I did right here. And that's it for this video. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you get notified when I upload videos like this. There you have it. See y'all in the next video.